This video, I'll be showing you how to verify your age on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, confirming that you're an adult on iPhone is a requirement enforced by system software in specific countries like the UK and Singapore, and even certain states in the US. So Apple requires a credit card or a government-issued ID to process the check. If your device requires age confirmation to override content restrictions, a red notification badge will appear pinned directly inside your primary system configuration layout. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, and then you're going to see confirm age or verify your age alert banner block anchored at the very top of the settings tree dashboard, and then tap continue on the legal compliance splash window. Then you got to choose your primary verification track. So you can use a credit card, and that's going to authenticate your age, or you can scan an ID like a driving license, passport, anything like that, and then tap next to initialize the hardware camera viewfinder framework. After that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.